What's up, Discount Divas and Dudes? Back with another video. Y'all, I am so upset today. I do not know what to do. It all started in the morning because y'all, well, if y'all watch me, y'all know I sell out of my stockpile. So I do post stuff on Facebook Market and offer up. So I get some message on Facebook Market. Somebody's talking about don't nobody want your stolen stuff. And I was like, what? I clocked out on this girl so bad, then I blocked her. For somebody to sit up there not know me and say my items is stolen when clearly I get out here every day. Sometimes it's almost 113 degrees outside and I'm couponing, trying to chase down deals and going to stores where stuff is not even in existence because everybody then bought it up. I clocked out on that girl and I turned around and blocked her. I'm not a mean person, but when somebody just talks out of the side of their neck and don't know what they talking about, it makes me upset. Now, I done went to this Home Depot to do a deal, left a whole thing of 45 pods at Home Depot, y'all. I do not know what to do. I'm so upset. I don't know if I call them and tell them I left it, because this Home Depot is like, I want to say 20 something minutes from my house, so it's not close, but it's not that far either. But for me to have left 45 pods, that's something. I need that. But let's get into these deals, y'all. I don't even feel like doing the whole spiel. If y'all like the video, like it, comment, share, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. But let's get into these deals, y'all, from Home Depot first. Okay, y'all, here are some items I got from Home Depot today. I went to two Home Depots. First off, we are going to be talking about the Tide. It was on clearance, and I got home, was looking at my receipt, and I scanned this twice, but I only got one. Where's my other one? I left it at the store. So basically, it is when you spend 75 at Home Depot, you save 15. If you spend 100, you save 25. So I got $75 in detergent. All of these was on clearance for $15.98. So basically these what it was five Tides, and I had got these sponges. They were on clearance for $1.82. And the total I paid for all of this was $74.28. So that's what I paid for the Tide. Be on the lookout at Home Depot because they are marking down laundry detergent, Tide, and Gain. Then the other Family Dollar I went to, they had these on clearance. They were really $6.38. I thought that was still kind of high for 128 count of bounce. But I went on and got two. They was $6.38, and this big thing of Suavitel was $7.18, and they still got the stickers. But this is wrong, cause ain't no way I would have paid $7.97 for these without any coupons or nothing. They done went crazy. But yeah, this was $7.18, and it is 3.1 liters. So it's a pretty big thing. I don't know if the camera does it any justice, but big thing of fabric softener needs to. That was like 20 something dollars right there. But yeah, y'all, I do not know what to do about leaving my detergent, because I handed them to the man too, because I went to self-checkout and I was like, here, I don't want these. And he took them, but I'm be like, can y'all roll the cameras back when I went to U-Scan so y'all can see how many tags I actually took out of her or something. I don't even know what to do because I ain't never did this before. But y'all, the other items I wanted to show y'all were from Walgreens. Some deals that I put together, paid low out of pocket for. So let's get into those Walgreens deals. Okay, y'all, here is my Walgreens transaction. Y'all, I had to call Home Depot, talk to the manager. Luckily, they told me I can come back up there and get my other pies. I'm excited, but not excited because I got to drive 23 minutes. So I'm going to just wait till the sun kind of goes down because it's like 101 today. So, yeah. Okay, let's get into these items, y'all. The Listerine is finally printing the $5 register rewards, y'all, because they've been having this deal for a while when you buy 2 Listerines, but at first it was not printing that $5 register reward. I was a little leery about buying these again, so I just went on and tried it and got it today. So the Listerines was 6 each, totaling $12. We have $1 off, making them 11. Get back $5 register rewards, making them $6 or $3 each. Then, y'all, I was tired of getting the Crest and the Colgate, so the Hello and the Tom's toothpaste are buy one, get one 50% off. And you get a $4 register reward when you buy 2. So the Times was $6.99. We have $1 off, making it $5.99. And the Hello was $2.99 with that 50% off, and we have $1 off on that, making it $1.99. So the total for both of these was $7.98. Get back a $4 register reward, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. Then on the razors, the big, they are buy one get one 50% off. We do not have no coupons, but I needed razors, so sometimes y'all you gotta get stuff even though it doesn't have a coupon. I mean, the good thing about it was that they are buy one get one 50% off. So one razor was $7.99, the other one was $3.99, totaling $11.98. So after coupons, I used $12 in register rewards and $20 Walgreens cash. My out of pocket was $4.80. And then I got back my $9 in register rewards, making these items FR to the EE free, y'all. Yep, free oral products and hygiene products, as you would say. So let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here was my second transaction. The Gain liquid, y'all, was $9.99. We have a $2 off, making it $7.99. The Gain Flings is 31 count. They are $9.99. Have a $2 off, making it $7.99. When you buy the 2, you will get a $5 register reward. So the total was $15.98. Pay that, get your $5 register reward back, making the 2 $10.98 or $5.49 each. Then on the Dove, y'all, and the women's Dove was gone in the store. I was like, really? They left them big, expensive ass Doves, but the $7 women ones was gone. Only thing I could do was get the men's, but that's okay because I needed to stock up on those anyway. So they were $7 each, totaling 14. We have at $8 off, making them 6. Pay that, get your $3 register reward back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. So after coupons, I used $13 in register rewards, $10 in Walgreens cash, making my total just $1.83 for these four items. And I got back $8 register rewards, making these items free as well. And I'm gonna show y'all the receipts, cause y'all gonna be like, nah, ain't no way. But let me show y'all for this. And where the little star is at, it says debit card, $1.83. Rewards redeemed, $10. Like I said. And then 4, 5, and 4, those were my register rewards. 8 was for the Dove. 2 was for the liquid, and 2 was for the pods. Them are my coupons. Then after all of that, it dropped the total down to $8.98. Well, really $11.83 with tax. Then that's when I smacked them with the $10 Walgreens cash and paid $1.83 with my debit card, $1.83. And that says Gain Liquid, Gain Flings, Dove Men, Dove Men's. And it was today on the 21st. So yeah, y'all gotta know how to use these coupons and your Walgreens cash, because you can walk out of Walgreens without paying little out of pocket. I mean, sometimes I be paying $30 and $40 at Walgreens, but I be getting Walgreens cash back and register rewards for days that I really don't have that much money. Now, and I woke up with like $20 in my pocket before I got some more money later on that day. And that's how I got that Tide and stuff. But I went to Walgreens and made all these transactions y'all about to see, and had $20 on my card, y'all. So, and then the first transaction, here's my receipt as well. $4.80 debit card. And see, Big Tom, the Listerine, the Big, and the Hello toothpaste. So that was for the first transaction I just showed y'all. And I used $20 in Walgreens cash and had to pay $4.80 off my card. Second transaction, $1.83. Now I'm about to show y'all the last transaction. Okay, y'all, here was my last transaction, and I could have swore that Ibotta was giving money back for these Purexes, but I guess they changed the ounces or something on them, because the ones at Walgreens is not working on that dollar back on Ibotta. So I guess they got hip while everybody's trying to snatch up the Purex, thinking they gonna get money back on Ibotta, because these don't sell for me like that, and I really don't like getting Purex unless it's cheap, which it is, but it just ends up sitting. Only hot items in my stockpile that really go is Tide, Gain, and Arm & Hammer. Not so much Purex, not even all for real. But I still buy it if it's on sale, but I thought that they was giving money back on Ibotta, but it has to be for the 57 ounce or 60, and the ones at Walgreens is 50 ounces. So they gotta say 57 loads right here. And I don't think Walgreens has them, or at least on sale. But anyway, y'all know the the Dove is 14 for 2. We have $8 off, making them 6. Get that $3 register reward back, making them $3.50 each. The Purex this week is $1.99. 2 of them is $3.98. So after the $8 coupon came off, I used $4 register reward, $5 Walgreens cash, and paid $2.49 out of pocket. Got back $3 register reward for the Dove making these items free. Here's my receipt for that. 249C debit card. Um, redeemed rewards redeemed $5. My total was $7.49. That's the $4 register reward and the $8 coupon for the Dove. And here it is, two Purexes at $1.99. Dove $7 each. 249 out of pocket, made these items free. And y'all, yesterday when I didn't feel like showing y'all the items, I had got two of the Purex, the white ones, and I thought, well, I got the wrong ones, let me go back and get these ones because the other store had these. Nope, still wasn't the right ones for Ibotta. So I don't know, y'all. But that is the end of the video. Just showed y'all how to get a lot of items from Walgreens for free, are low out of pocket. So y'all can follow that, follow the thing if y'all want to. But if not, come up with your own little plan to get some free items from Walgreens. And like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. And y'all, if y'all don't watch the whole video, if y'all skip through it, can y'all just play the video back? Y'all can even turn the volume down because they got some new stuff on YouTube that is messing up people's algorithms and everything on YouTube. Is crazy, and you find out that a lot of people are skipping through the videos, just crazy stuff. I mean, if you don't feel like watching certain parts, like I said, could you please just replay the video? You can even turn the volume down, whatever. I know y'all want to get to the good parts. That's why I really don't like doing a lot of talking in the videos, because people do tend to skip through it. I am guilty of that. But I found out it messes up people's videos, and now I just sit there and watch it through. But I do skip through the ads, but when you watch the ads, that helps too. But that's asking a little too much. So can y'all please watch the full video? Or skip, even if you won't skip through it, just make sure you go back, replay it or whatever. And I really appreciate the ones who do watch all the way through. But yeah, y'all, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I'll be dropping. I'm about to go get my detergent soon as the sun goes down, and I will see y'all in the next video. I am out, y'all. Peace.